Alright, good afternoon everyone, or good morning I guess for me. Today we're going to go pick up the trailer, bring it back home, and get the thing ready to start renting out. Let's get out of here. So first things first, we need to go get some fuel. Luckily the casino that's near our house actually has diesel number 2, which is a rarity here in California. So we're going to go get that. We're going to get this thing washed up really quick, and then we'll go get the trailer and bring it on home. Alright, we're pulling up on the RV dealer right now where we're picking up our trailer from. So even though we had a bunch of work done to it, we still have a lot we got to do when we get back to the house. That's going to be done on a different day though, in a different video. I'm sure you guys have seen in a different video that I previously shot or just got done shooting. This morning I was actually finishing up a trench for the generator. For the house, so I'm a little exhausted right now, but anyway, we're pulling up right now. RV Super Center in Menifee. I didn't buy from this dealer location specifically, but nevertheless this is still the same company. So pick up the trailer and get on the road. Well, actually we need to put in the batteries first, actually, just kidding. So I'll get video of that. Alright, so I just got over to the dealership like I was saying, and there were some parts that I was actually going to need to take care of on my own, but they did it. They put it in, they didn't charge me for it, so all the Johns at RV Super Center in Menifee, like, I really appreciate it. This saves me a ton of time and allows us to get the trailer basically up for rental quick, as opposed to me having to, spend time installing this stuff. So again, thank you guys, I really appreciate it. But yeah, we're gonna start to get to work, so we'll see how long this takes. Okay, so we just got one of the batteries out. We're going to take out the other one, and then we're going to get the new ones in. New batteries. Alright, so we just got done. Put the tools away and get hooked up, get on the road. Alright, let's get hooked up. Alright, we're all set to go. Trailer's hooked up. Time to get on the road, get home, get this thing put into place, take some pictures of it, get it up for rent.